Okay, I am here at OPE headquarters, Grand Lake, and we are fixing a chair that has had the elbow plastic piece portion busted right in here. And what we are going to need is a hex key, a screwdriver, and maybe, no, come on in. It's a party here. And maybe a hammer. If I had a hammer, I would hammer in the morning, I'd hammer in the evening, I'd hammer all day long. And to fix it, we are going to need a replacement armrest. As you can see, the entire thing needs to be replaced. This comes from a chair that has died. So when you cannibalize chairs, you have to remember to keep one of these. Keep all of these that you can that are not broken in the back. So I can look a little closely here and see that that has been broken right in there. That little guy. So that's what we're working with, that bolt. So what we're going to do is we're going to undo the bolts that attach this thing right here. Ooh, I'm going to get the hang of this eventually. So this guy comes off with a screwdriver right in here. Lefty loosey, ready tighty. And because it's broken, it should actually pop off without too much effort. If you want, you can anesthetize your chair and let it lean way back. Chair, you can go to sleep now. And when you wake up, you will be as good as new. Okay, you got this one. Oop. There we go. Ah! Now this will fly off. This little bolt here. Don't lose that. So got that part off. You see? It's loose. And the next part to get off is right by the wrist, where your wrist sits right here. And this one, you need the hex key. Now be careful, because this hex key bolt here will get stripped. And if it gets stripped, you will need to drill it out completely. And luckily I already loosened it, so I know it's not stripped. I know it will come out, because that would be a whole another video. I need to lift that off. And then this whole thing should, I think we need to undo the lock here. Should slide right out. Come on there. There we go. It pops right off. And then we take our fixed one. And this, when I cannibalized, I left in the extra bolts, which you don't actually need. But just in case, it's good to have extra ones of these, because these do occasionally break or get stripped or have to be drilled out. So we're going to save those for a rainy day. And we've saved our other bolts as well. So this guy slides right on. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. Pop this guy back in here. Get the bolt, should fit nicely there. And then this guy, probably have to pull this out a little bit. Get that sliding right in there. And then this is our hex key bolt. Goes on the front right here. Oh, the guy ended up leaning forward. Okay. can lean him back again. Let's lean back. You take it easy, chair. You've done a lot. Think of all the butts that have been in this chair. Get an acupuncture. Give it new life. Tighten this guy up over here. Boom. And then this guy needs his bolts. This is just a little bolt. These guys here. So this goes over here on the elbow where it came off the other one. Sometimes it's nice to slide these out a little bit. There we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Let's get a closer look at what I'm doing here. Let's see. So there's the bolt right there. So that's just a screwdriver bolt here. See? That's nice and tight. And this is nice and tight. So yeah, we got those two main ones. We got basically this bolt, screwdriver where your elbow sits, and then we have, this is the hex key bolt where your wrist would sit here. That's looking pretty tight. This is the one that sometimes needs to get drilled out, which is a big pain in the butt. And now that elbow piece is replaced. So took this one, I had this crack right here, and we replaced it with this one. I always think it's fun. This one you see is got dirty. Ooh, you dirty armrest. And now, bright and shiny and new, this chair has new life. Otherwise, it's doing good. Okay, and that's all the news fit to print.